Hey guys, in this video I'm going to make homemade breadboard holder. You could say it's a circuit board holder in the easiest term. And using this will make your soldering experience a lot easier because you no longer need to hold everything in your hand while you are soldering your circuit board. Let's see, I have used some of my old computer parts to make this one. For example, I took out my SMPS which is damaged a long time ago and I have removed all the parts inside and took its case. If you don't have a case like me, then you could try alternatives such as some sort of square box or something like that. But it should be like a little bit heavier or else it might fall while you are working on with your projects. Then I have used cardboard L-shaped stand. You can craft this very easily, but if you want it to be stronger, then watch the video tutorial from another video and the link in the description below, and also I have pinned the video link in the comment section down below as well. And also you need glue gun to stick all the parts together. And finally we need clips to hold our breadboard from the stand that we are about to make. Now watch the rest of the video to learn how it's done. I hope this helps you guys. If you guys like this video, then please share your thoughts in the comments below and also subscribe to our channel. See you guys in the next video and bye.